Hi, now I'm talking about the SAS. Now we go to chapter number 2, hardware setup. So once the network controller already set the IP address over there, then you go to the hardware setup. Then first we need to talk about the controller. We need to add a controller. Just add a controller. For example, new office. Select the model DE12 180. For example, this is one reader and one push button. Then we can select, support the socket window. Vegan 26 or 34 can be no issue. We can select 34 as well. But in this case is vegan 26. Okay. And then we set IP to what we set 201. 201. And then we just update. Okay. This is a new office. Then we do the detection. Make sure it's already into the control list. Next, then we go to the door. We go to set the door in the readers. So you can see the output door long delay will be output number 1, door 1 door. And then push button normally open. For this case, the door magnet is now closed, normally closed. And then 3 seconds, 3 seconds. For the reader, in this case, is the reader is we set it to be either can be opened by card, presenting by scan card, or key in the password. Okay, once done, just save. And last one, we go to the alarm. Alarm for this new door. Okay, we do configure our system to, for example, the alarm number 1 is the emergency brake glass. Alarm number 2 is the key switch bypass. So for the door sensor, if let's say the door sensor is let's say the door is open for the preset time 3 seconds, 3 seconds, more than this 6 seconds, and then the output 3 will be triggered. Mean the door is open too long time, longer the presetting time, then alarm trigger. Output 3 will be the silent alarm trigger. And then for the input number 1, it's an emergency brake glass. We set it, let's say output number 1. Once the emergency brake trigger, output 1, the EM lock will be released, and as well as the silent will ring. Okay. Same to the bypass. So once you do the manual key bypass, once they trigger, then it will bypass you will release the lock, and as well as the silent will be triggered. Okay. Once the setting is done, then we download the setting to the controller. Okay. That's all for the hardware setup.